right, now I'm starting another tracking stick. You take the bark off. I'm barking two at the same time, actually three I'm working on here. But this is going to be my tracking stick. If you've not seen my tracking stick videos before, what I like to do is just bark it and then go in and do my animal tracks, wood burn them in, which is a lot of fun. It's just relaxing to wood burn stuff. This is not relaxing, using the angle grinder with the flap disc on it. Aggressive disc, I like a 36 grit. You can get smoother, you can get less, less aggressive grit, and it'll make it a little smoother. But honestly, when I do these, they come out super smooth feeling. You can do a finger sander sometimes later, or another sander, or just hand sand it down later to make it, smoother feeling, but it's really not necessary. On this one, I'm going to use that liquid soybean oil to finish it with. It comes out really nice. It's really cool working with this wood burning tool. I upgraded a while back from the the one that's like 15 or 20 bucks or something, and got the one that's a little bit more, but it just goes way faster. It's got more tips on it, and it works just a lot faster, gets a lot hotter. When I wood burn before with the cheaper one, the very cheap ones you can get, takes forever to wood burn anything, and especially on the harder the wood, the longer it takes. So this is nice. You can adjust the heat setting, get it as hot as you want to go faster. They recommend not using hotter than you need, but when I'm doing these, if you do a cooler setting, it takes forever. Anyway, I have a book of tracks, animal tracks, and it's just fun to put different animal tracks on. I've lost track of which one this is, what number this is of tracking sticks. I call it tracking sticks. It's just fun to, you could take it out into the woods when you're hiking or on a trail. And if you happen to see some tracks, you might have the tracks on your stick that you can help identify what you have. I try to use mostly common stuff. Really like the handle, it's comfortable. It's got wolf, black bear. You go down, deer walking track. They overlap on their tracks, deers do. They step in their first track, their first foot. Rabbit, mountain lion. The mountain lion has 4 toes, no claws sticking out, as opposed to a dog's or bear's claws always show. And the ubiquitous Sasquatch. Actually, that's a gorilla track, but I thought it'd be fun. Probably be close if there is such a thing as a Sasquatch. All right, thanks for watching.